I'm Jason Miles at the Fort Bend County Justice Center, where we just heard the verdict in the K.P. George money laundering trial. Of course, K.P. George, the sitting Fort Bend County judge or chief executive of this county. All of the proceedings going on behind the doors you see behind me, the 458th District Court here in Fort Bend County. Within the last 15 or 20 minutes, we heard the verdict, guilty, 2 counts of money laundering. Again, we've been covering this trial since last week. In fact, this is day 9 of the money laundering trial involving K.P. George. We do have some file video of what we've previously shot inside the courtroom. There are very specific rules on what we can shoot and when we can shoot it and when we can share that video. So we're still working on turning around the video from today's proceedings, including the guilty verdict. But Judge George sat there rather stoically as the jury's verdict was read. Again, 2 counts guilty on 2 counts of money laundering. Of course, George accused of, in a nutshell, using campaign money for personal expenses, including a down payment on a home. We're talking in total about $46,000. Over the past few days, there have been all sorts of witness experts testifying, those for both the defense and prosecution. But again, K.P. George guilty on 2 counts of money laundering. The big question here is, how will this affect his judgeship, if you will? We understand that he will be immediately removed from office given the fact that this was a felony conviction. But whether appeals play into that or not, that's something we will work to figure out. But the headline, of course, today is that sitting Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George guilty on 2 counts of money laundering. Of course, this is a story we will continue to cover on air and online.